Hi y'all, welcome back. And so today I just wanted to show you a few apartments here in Dar es Salaam. There are a lot of apartments here in Dar es Salaam, but today I'm just going to show you a few from this area called Masaki. It's actually just, there are a lot of apartments in this area, Masaki, so I'm just going to show you a few. And if you want to see more, you can just comment down below and I'll shoot other ones. But today I'm just going to show you these ones, just few, like 5, because there are so many good ones. Okay, I'm starting off with this one. It's called Orchid. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it, but you can read there. It's called Orchid. I'm going to put like a good view. So as you can see down there, there's a cave. There's that. Both of those are cave, and then there's an entrance down there. So this one is called Orchid. So if you kind of want to know how much it costs and all the stuff, you can just comment down below, and I'll do my best to do that video for you. But as for today, I'm just going to show you the outlooks on the outside and the view and things like this. So this one is called Orchid. It's located just near the area, near the bus station. You kind of just walk for like a few minutes, maybe 10, from the bus station to the apartment. I'm just trying to give you like a good view of what you'll see when you happen to come. So it's Orchid. I guess it's even on Google Map. Now this one is the second one. It's not far away from the first one that I showed you. It has like a laundry down below, and this is like, I don't know, they sell wines and stuffs down below. And then those are all apartments. There are like 4 buildings in there, so it's 1, 2, around each other. And again I just wanted to show you, like, this area has a lot of embassies, so you do not have to worry about your securities and stuff. So we get US embassies, I don't know, Uganda embassies, there is even Qatar embassy right here. So you do not have to worry about anything, whether it's your security and anything. Along the way, I came across this supermarket. I just decided to go in and just show you what you might possibly get. It's called Simply Safe, Simply Supermarket. Things are fresh. They are really fresh and they are good. This cabbage and veggies. There are a lot of things that you find in lots of supermarket. I just took a film on this one side, but it's like a big supermarket, a big old supermarket. I just went to this side because I wanted some yogurt, and that's it. That's why I showed just one side of this supermarket, but it's really big, and there is everything that you might need. Everything. Now this is another apartment. It's called Golden. It's really good. It has a really nice view by the front. I'll show you in just like a few seconds. I just wanted to show you how it looks like at the back. And it's also not far from the previous ones I show you, and it's also not far from the bus station. You actually will not get lost. This is the entrance. They have like a basement where you like park your cars, and this is the front. It's called Golden something. I'll find it and write it there on the screen, but it's called Golden something. It's really good, looks expensive also because it's really good looking. Okay, so I'm trying to get a nice view, but this is how it looks at the front. Okay, and this is another one. They're like 2, 3 in this area, and they are close to like the beach. This road right here leads to the beach, Coco Beach, if you ever heard of it. So they're like 3, as you can see. This one, this another one, and okay, that was quick. And this road right here leads to another apartment. It's called the twin something. You'll see in a few seconds. It's this one. It's called twin something apartments because there are 2. They look alike, and I couldn't film at the front because of the security, but this is how it looks like at the back. And right there is the entrance, right there at that gate over there. It's the entrance, and this is how it looks like at the back. And at the east, I don't know, is that the east side? It's the beach. And then there's this one, gorgeous. It's called Double Dolphin. It's close to the orchid ones, like few buildings away from the first apartments, the orchid residence. Now the next one is this dolphin, Double Dolphin. It's really good, and it's shiny at night. It's in the same area, Masaki. As you can see, there are people living in there. I wish I got a chance to go in, but I will someday, I hope. But I just wanted to show you how it looks like. You know, that right there is the entrance, right there. And yeah, it's really good one. And very attractive. Anyway, so this one is, if you ever heard of Coco Beach, this is it. This is the beach itself. As you can see, there are lots of places where you can eat or grab something to eat. So if you want to go somewhere, I mean to go in a beach where you can grab something to eat, this is it. It's a free beach. It's like a public beach. You won't pay for anything except food. And this is one of the places that I sat. I'll give you a tour someday. I mean, it could be the next video or the video after the next. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.